Mindfulness recap and reflection. Discover the tranquility within you with mindfulness. It's not just a practice, but a lifestyle. Unleash the power of now. Mindfulness helps you stay present, focused, and balanced. It's about embracing the moment, not escaping it. Engage your senses fully. Experience a mental detox. Let go of the past, stop worrying about the future. The only moment that matters is now. You are more than your thoughts. Use mindfulness to discover your true self. Witness thoughts without judgment. Reflect, reset, rejuvenate. Mindfulness is a journey of self-discovery and peace. Start your journey today. Embrace the beauty of mindfulness. Mindfulness, simply put, is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the here and now. Often, we find ourselves lost in thoughts about the past or the future, missing out on the beauty of the present moment. But with mindfulness, we can bring our attention back to where it truly belongs, the now. Mindfulness is not just a mental exercise, it's a way of life. It's about acknowledging your senses, your emotions, your thoughts, without judgment. It's a simple practice, yet it has profound effects. Now, you may wonder how to practice mindfulness. It's simple, just breathe. Pay attention to your breath, its rhythm, the sensation of it filling your lungs and leaving your body. This is the foundation of mindfulness. But it's not just about the breath. You can be mindful while eating, walking, talking, or even doing chores. It's about immersing yourself fully in whatever you are doing at the moment, and not letting your thoughts wander. Remember, mindfulness is not about emptying your mind, it's about being aware of your thoughts and emotions, accepting them, and letting them pass without getting attached. It's about observing, not controlling. The benefits of mindfulness are numerous. It reduces stress, improves focus, boosts creativity, and enhances emotional intelligence. But more importantly, it helps us connect with ourselves on a deeper level. Mindfulness is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you're busy, stressed, or bored. Even a few minutes of mindfulness each day can make a big difference in how you experience life. It's okay if your mind wanders during mindfulness practice. It's normal. The key is to gently bring your attention back to the present moment, without getting frustrated. Remember, it's practice, not perfect. Start small. Even a minute of mindfulness is better than none. Gradually increase your practice as you get comfortable. And remember, it's not about the quantity, but the quality of mindfulness that matters. In the end, mindfulness is not just a practice, it's a journey. A journey to the present moment, a journey to yourself. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Thank you for joining us today. We hope this mindfulness recap and reflection helps you in your journey towards a more mindful and present life. Until next time, remember to breathe, observe, and embrace the now.